How to buy a domain name with Namecheap. Hey guys, Brian with WP Blog, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to buy a domain name with Namecheap step by step. Whether you're a newbie at technology or a pro, this step-by-step how to buy a domain name with Namecheap tutorial video is perfect to follow along with. By following this tutorial video, you will have your domain name purchased with Namecheap in just a few minutes. I provided a link below to Namecheap. Feel free to click the link and follow along with me in this video. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, and I receive a commission which helps support this channel and helps put out more WordPress tutorial videos. Let's get started. Click the link in the description if you haven't already to be taken to the Namecheap homepage, which will look like this. You want to search for a domain name and see if it's available. Once you are done, hit the search icon and continue to the next step. If your domain name is not available, you will see an X to the left of the domain name. Try adding a dash, adding a word to the domain, or choosing a different domain extension like .net, etc. If your domain is available, you will see a check mark to the left of your domain name. Once you are done, hit the Add to Cart button. You'll see over to the right your shopping cart with your domain name. You'll see an ICANN fee. The Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, ICANN, charges a mandatory annual fee of 18 cents for each year of domain registration, renewal, or transfer. Let's go ahead and hit the View Cart button. You can select the amount of time you want to purchase your domain name for. You can purchase it for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years. You can select if you want to auto renew to be on or not. Auto renew will automatically renew your domain when the term is up, and it'll charge your card you have on file. You can keep it off if you want to manually renew it. Next, you will see WhoisGuard. This is domain privacy. It'll keep your personal information private so that it's not listed out for everyone to see. Without this, you can easily receive tons of spam calls and emails from telemarketers trying to sell their business services to you. One of the great things about registering your domain name with Namecheap is they offer this for free, so it'll be included with your domain name. You can choose if you want to auto renew or not for this. Scroll down a bit and you'll see a few add-on services you can add. If you need web hosting, Namecheap offers affordable web hosting for as low as $288 a month. You can have up to 3 websites with this. Next, promote your site with positive SSL for just $199 for the first year. I highly recommend this. As of July of 2018, Google will be showing sites without it as non-secure in the Chrome browser. A page can even pop up preventing people from getting to your website if they don't know what to do on that page. SSL also gives you a tiny boost in ranking as Google wants a safer web experience, etc. You can now choose if you want free private email or not. You'll get 2 months for free. You'll then see add professional Gmail to your domain. After you have everything reviewed and selected, just hit the confirm order button. Next, you want to create your account over to the right. Just fill out your information like the username you want to use, password, first name, last name, and email address. You can unselect or keep selected to sign up for Namecheap newsletter, hit create an account, and continue. You'll now be on the last step in registering your domain name with Namecheap. You want to enter your payment method and information in, click the continue button or pay now button. Through time, it can change. After payment, you'll be on a page with your order details. Your domain name will be active and you can start using it immediately. You will be emailed a copy of your receipt and will also receive an email to verify your domain name. So make sure when that email comes in to verify the domain name. And that is how to buy a domain name with Namecheap tutorial video. If you have any questions, get in touch as I'm here to help you with anything you need. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress video tutorials. Leave us a comment. We would love to hear from you.